Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And we tried experiment 3 without boiling the water. I inhaled it for 3 minutes, did absolutely nothing with the cayenne pepper, the honey, the lemon, and apple cider vinegar. So, I'm going to add one ingredient to this, and I have to cover up the screen. I'll be right back. Okay, I've added some sea salt, which I would normally put in the sinus rinse anyway. So what I'm going to do, take the big bowl I had in the last video and put it over the small bowl and pour this solution into I have 2 sinus rinse bottles. Okay. That is not going to be enough. So I'm not wearing any shorts, so this is why I have to cover the screen. All right, I'll cover the screen again. I thought the quantity of water here would be enough, but so I'm going to go put some water in this. Okay, but don't kill myself getting back in the chair like I did a minute ago. All right. So now we have the entire bottle. And sea salt, lemon juice, two things of honey, and cayenne pepper and apple cider vinegar. I ain't gonna drink this stuff again because last night when I did this, my stomach burned for an hour. Oh, God. I just splashed in my eye. You do not want this stuff in your eye. All right. Roll up my sleeves. Lifting up my sleeves. Hey. Okay. Damn, he just had an orgasm. Here we go. This is going to be disgusting. Somebody said it hurts like an MF. We will find out. Oh my God. My nose, my mouth is dripping. My right nostril now feels like the fires of hell. All right, here goes the left one. Oh, 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 oh my God. And I put a oh my God, very small, like the end of a spoonful. Quantity of cayenne pepper in this. So, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. Excuse me, I know it's gross, but I'm desperate. Oh. I am not gonna be able to put the whole bottle up there like I thought I would. That's obvious. Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna put some more in the left nostril so they equalize. Oh. Uh, 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 oh my God. My sinuses are on fire. I don't know how to describe this. And of course, it's making me sneeze, but oh, good Lord, it hurts. Now we'll have to see. I'm gonna let this stuff sit in there, and maybe I'll use this more than once. Every inch of the inside of my nose is burning. Oh, eyes are watering. Oh, good Lord. Well, anyway, I'll let you know in the next video if this worked or not. It's, well, mucus or something is definitely coming out of my nose. Oh, good Lord. Oh, my God. They tell you not to blow your nose after you treat it with saline. But that stuff was going to pour out anyway. Oh, my God. I'm awake, folks. More awake I've been in 67 years. Oh, good Lord. I'll kill you or cure you, I guess. All right. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. If you lit a match in my nose, I'd probably blow up right now. Have a great evening. It's 9:15 p.m. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay safe. Oh my God, I need a fire hose to flush this out, I think. Oh, it's hot. All right. I've made my day. Bye-bye for now.